Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about assignment operators. Assignment operators in C++. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and the right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. Assignment operator used to assign the value on the right to the variable on the left. Assign some values to the variables. We will do this with the help of assignment operator. Assignment operator is equal to symbol 100, I mean x equal to 10. So x is a variable, it is a left hand operand. Equal to is the operator, it's the assignment operator, and 10 is the value on the right operand. So x equal to 10. So 10 value will be assigned to the variable x. Assignment operator used to assign the value on the right to the variable on the left. Left operand, operator, right operand. So here is some example of assignment operators. These are nothing, just a way to assign values to the variables. Equal to x equal to 5 or x equal to 5. It will assign the value 5 to the variable x. Plus equal to is used as x plus equal to 3. So this is same as x equal to x plus 3. So if we have value of x 10 and it will add the 3 in the x and put the value to the x again. So it will use the value x, it will add some value to the x and assign the whole value in the x. Minus equal to x minus equal to 3. This is also called x equal to x minus 3. So it will subtract the minus 3 from the x variable and assign the value to the x. Multiplication equal to, this is working same, x multiplication equal to 3. It will multiply x variable by 3 and add the value or assign the value to the x variable. That's why these are called assignment operators. Divide equal to x, divide equal to 3. It will divide the value of x by 3 and put the value to the x. And this is also working same, x remainder equal to 3. Also like that, x equal to x remainder 3. It will divide x by 3 and its remainder will be assigned to the variable x. So I open my dev C++ compiler and write some basic code. So I am assigning a variable, declaring a variable x equal to 10. Remember, equal to is a assignment operator. So I will check the value of x, if it's assigning value or not. So I forget the semicolon after the return 0. So this is working fine. I have created a variable x and assign value to the x variable 10 and I print the value of x. So I will do like this. X plus equal to 10. So what will the value of 10 x now? Its value will be 20 because it is same like that, x equal to x plus 10. These both are the same. So its value is 20. It will add 10 to the variable x and assign the whole value to the x variable. If we run this, I have again forget a semicolon. So let's see, this is also working good. X minus equal to 10, 5. So this will subtract the value from x variable and assign the value to the x variable. It is same like this. These both are the same. So this is working fine. So this will multiply the value of x by 5 and add the or assign the value to the variable x. I am just commenting these. So this value is correct. You can also do this for the division or remainder. So that's all for today. We will learn other operators in next videos.